In this video, I am going to explain about graph of linear equation in two variables. Hope you have already seen my previous video, solution of linear equation in two variables. If you like my video, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. First question, draw the graph of each of the following. First question, x is equal to 2. So you know that x is equal to 2 means that y value will be equal to 0 because only x value is given. So you can here denote a point in such a manner that s6 is equal to 2. Here it is your point 2, 0. So absence of variable y shows that abscissa x does not depend on variable y. So it means that x will always be 2, whatever may be the ordinate y. So you know that abscissa is x coordinate and the ordinate is y. So x is equal to 2 means that x will always be at 2, whatever may be the ordinate of y. So you can represent this with a straight line which is parallel to y axis. So x is equal to 2 represents a line parallel to y axis. Here this is your point 2, 0. You can denote 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4 and so on, and it's a line which is parallel to y axis. So you have to note that x is equal to a. A means any value which will be a line parallel to y axis. Then second example, y equal to minus 3. Y equal to minus 3, this is your x coordinate and this is your y coordinate. This one from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and this one from minus 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. Here upwards 1, 2, 3 and to downwards minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So here you have to note that y is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to minus 3 indicate that x value is equal to 0. So 0 minus 3 point you have to plot. So this one is your 0, this is your ordinate and here you have to plot this is your 0 minus 3 point, and 0 minus 3 point is a line parallel to x axis and it is at a distance 3 units below the x axis. Suppose if you want to plot y is equal to plus 3, then it will be above this point, it will be a line parallel to x axis and it is at a distance 3 units above the x axis. In general, you can state that y is equal to a. A can be any positive or negative number, is a line which is parallel to x axis. Your second question, give the equations of two lines passing through point 2, 14. How many more such lines are there and why? So to a point, here the point is given as 2, 14. You know that infinitely many lines can be drawn. So any linear equation which are satisfied by the point 2, 14 can be expressed in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. Let ax plus by equal to c be a linear equation in x and y which is satisfied by the point 2, 14. By the point 2, 14. So you can represent 2, 14 can be represented as 2a plus 14b is equal to c. So you can express this one, ax plus by is equal to 2a plus 14b. So bringing this a and b into this side, ax plus by minus 2a minus 14b equal to 0. So taking a common, a into x minus 2 plus b into y minus 14 equal to 0. So b into y minus 14 can be expressed as minus of a into x minus 2. So y minus 14 divided by x minus 2 is equal to minus of a by b. Bringing this x minus 2 down and substituting the values, you will be getting y minus 14 divided by x minus 2 is equal to minus a by b. So by using different values of a and b, we can find infinitely many required equations. So on substituting, suppose we are substituting a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1. Then you will be getting y minus 14 divided by x minus 2 is equal to minus of 2 by 1. So cross multiplying, y minus 14 is equal to minus of 2 into x minus 2. So y minus 14 is equal to minus 2x plus 4. So minus 2x plus y, bringing this 2x to here, plus 2x plus y equal to 4 plus 14, which is equal to 18. So you will be getting first equation on substituting a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, you will be getting 2x plus y is equal to 18. So if a is equal to 7 and b is equal to minus 1, you will be getting another equation as 7x minus y is equal to 0. So you can find out infinitely many required equations if you got the value of a and b like this. Third question. The taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is ₹8, and for the subsequent distance, it is ₹5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and total fare as ₹5, write linear equation for this information and draw its graph. So you have given distance covered as x kilometer and total fare as y kilometer. So here for first kilometer, that is for 1 kilometer, fare is ₹8. So I have denoted for 1 kilometer fare as ₹8. And for the subsequent distance, that is from 2 kilometer onwards, fare will be ₹5 per kilometer. So here total distance is x. 1 kilometer it is ₹8. So you have to reduce this 1 kilometer from the total distance covered. So subsequent distance will be taken it as x minus 1. So subsequent distance value, that is subsequent distance, it is ₹5 per kilometer. So you have to form a linear equation with this information. So you know that you can simply write it as first kilometer it is 8 and for subsequent kilometers it is 5 into x minus 1. And your total fare is given as y. So you will be getting it as 8 plus 5x minus 5 is equal to y. So 5x plus 3 is equal to y, or else you can write it as 5x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. So your equation is 5x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. So you can write it from this equation, minus y is equal to, bringing this 5x and 3 to other side, it will become minus 3 minus 5x. So removing negative sign, y will be equal to 3 plus 5x. So x value and y value, putting it as a table, when x is equal to 1, y will be equal to 3 plus 5 into 1, which is 8. When x is equal to 2, y will be equal to 13. When x is equal to 3, substitute instead of x, you have to substitute 3. So y will be equal to 18. So this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. I have plotted only 1, 8 and 2, 13. I will be getting a straight line like this. This straight line is y is equal to 5x plus 3. So solution of a linear equation in two variables is always a straight line. We have seen many important points in this chapter. So I have summarized those points like this. First one, equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0, a, b, c are real numbers is called a linear equation in two variables. Second point, a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. We have already seen that. Then third one, graph of every linear equation in two variables is a straight line. So linear equation means an equation of degree 1 is known as linear equation and its graph is always a straight line. Then x is equal to 0 is the equation of y-axis and y is equal to 0 is the equation of x-axis. So in general, graph of x is equal to a is a straight line parallel to y-axis and graph of y is equal to a is a straight line parallel to x-axis. So an equation of the type y is equal to mx represents a line passing through the origin. Every point on the graph of linear equation in two variables is a solution of the linear equation. Moreover, every solution of the linear equation is a point on the graph of the linear equation. If equation y is equal to mx plus c represents a line not passing through the origin. That point also you have to note. Hope you have understood my video. Please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.